Good day to you all. We are back with the daily devotion, and for today, day of Saturday, we are still with the series 365 daily devotion Bible character edition. For this day, the character we're going to talk about would be King Asa. So King Asa is a king, was a king in the southern kingdom, and the king in his time in the northern kingdom would be King Baasha. And let's learn what's the story of the kingship of King Asa, because his kingship is different, because his two the two kings before him did what was evil in the sight of the Lord, but he did different. King Asa was generally good. We can find this account in the book of Kings chapter 15 verses 9. In the 28th year of Jeroboam, king of Israel, Asa began to reign over Judah, and he reigned 40 years in Jerusalem. His mother's name was Maacah, the daughter of Abishalom, and Asa did what was right in the eyes of the Lord, as David his father had done. He put away the male cult prostitutes out of the land, and removed all the idols that his fathers had made. So the two kings before him worship other gods, worship false gods, and that's also the reason why there are male prostitutes out of the land in the temple. And in his kingship, he took that away. He did what was right in the eyes of the Lord. So he did good. He is generally good, and that is also our first teaching. He is generally good.
We're on a mission to make life delicious.
But when a trouble came to his kingship, he asked for help to others and not to God. He relied on a foreign king. He paid the foreign king just to seek help, but he could have just asked for God's help instead, because he is a righteous king. But he did not do so. For the last teaching, Asa relied on human doctors instead of seeking God. So what's the context of that? Then Asa took silver and gold from the treasures of the house of the Lord and the king's house, and sent them to Ben-Hadad king, who lived in Damascus, saying, at the time Hanani the seer came to Asa king of Judah and said to him, because you relied on the king of Syria and did not rely on the Lord your God, the army of the king Syria has escaped you. We're not Ethiopians and the Libyans are a huge army with very many chariots and horsemen, yet because you relied on the Lord, and he gave them into your hand for the eyes of the Lord to run and fro throughout the whole earth, to give strong support to those whose heart is blameless toward him. You have done foolishly in this. From now on you will have wars. So that's the judgment, that's the punishment of King Asa. He once had a peaceful kingdom when he trusted the Lord, but when he asked for the foreign king, instead of asking help to God turned his back away from King Asa, because Asa relied on human knowledge, but not from God. So how can we apply this in our lives? Fully commit yourself to God and be fully supported. Let's have faith in God, and let's dedicate our life to Him. Second, seek God first and let Him provide the way. And lastly, influence your family by being faithful to God. So that would be for our daily devotion. Live like Christ.